So look, I just use AI to replace my entire team, and I'm going to show you exactly how. So if you listen to this video, you're going to learn a thing or two. I basically gave this talk in person, and I just thought I should share it with more people online. So here we go. I'm going to give you guys a hidden opportunity that I see in the AI space that most people aren't talking about, and I call it the Maestro. So just make sure to stay tuned because you're going to definitely learn a thing or two, right? So the first thing we're going to talk about is the human experience. We want to upscale that thing, and we want to do this by creating something we call an AI OS, an AI operating system, a life operating system, whatever you want to call it. It's just AI knowing everything about you and being able to make decisions for you. So this is how most people are. Most people are firefighting all the time. They're managing things, they're admin, they're not even actually doing the thing that they want to do, right? So I've got this program called JustCoach, and I'm helping coaches automate their businesses using AI because they're not actually coaching. But that applies to any niche. Like literally, you're probably just working on your business and not actually doing the thing that you want to do, doing the marketing, advertising. So we want to get out of that. And doing this and having this system is actually going to get you out of that rut. So next is three main pillars that I want to cover today. The first one is your health. The next one is wealth. The next one after that is relationships. And we can actually use AI to automate and do all these things for us and go so deep that you can't even imagine. And when we want to talk about health, I just did this speech with my girl Indigo. She actually started to talk about the health side of things, but I just want to pop it off there too, because everything is trackable, right? Everything is data. When you think about your DNA, it's data. You can go ahead and see what's wrong with your body, and you can actually do a blood test and take that blood test and put it inside of Claude and have it analyze what's going on in your own body and tell you exactly where you're going wrong, what you need to be eating, what you shouldn't be eating, and going down to like this biometric level of just knowing exactly what's going on. So I think it's huge there. So for me, I wear a Whoop, right? I wear this like wristband. You can have an Oura ring or whatever ring you want. You can connect the API to Claude to be able to tell you what's going on, right? So for me, I track my HRV, my sleep, everything. Like if I'm not performing well, it basically tells me my strain, how much I'm working out, and it tells me based off of my calendar. So it's like, yo, you've been working too much and you're not able to sleep. So you should probably, go to sleep around 9 p.m. because if you don't go to sleep at 9 p.m., then you're going to be fucked in the morning. So I love that it helps me do that. So I'm actually able to pair my data with what's going on in real life, which is huge. And I think a lot of people, they look over that step because they want to focus on the wealth side of things, which is good. You should focus on wealth. But the thing is, if your body's not functioning, then you're not going to be able to get wealthy anyways. Or if you do get wealthy, it doesn't matter because you're going to be dead. So we want to focus on making sure that our body is functioning right. We've got injuries that be able to tell us and things like that. So one side we should be focusing on. Next, we want to talk about the wealth side of things, right? So when it comes to wealth, this is huge. This is everything. This is our AIOS system that I've been talking about. And a lot of people are using Claude to go ahead and automate a lot of things when it comes to your sales, your marketing, when it comes to creating videos. There's a million use cases we can talk about, and I'm going to go over a few that we've actually done. So you need to know how to tell AI what to do. Or really, you just need to know how to use AI so AI can use AI, because you don't really need to know anything actually when I think about it. But what you need to know is just how to tell AI everything about you. And it doesn't really require a skill. All it requires is you just talking to AI as much as possible in as much detail. Sorry, as So the more AI knows about you, the more it can help you do things. So we got these things called commands. I like to think about commands as almost like the out of bounds in the game. So if you think about the game of soccer or football or something like that, you've got rules. So you can tell AI to like set up these rules to make sure it performs in that direction. So I like to think of that as commands. When it comes to skills, just imagine me. I might know how to use AI better than you, right? I might know how to create different websites or something like that that you haven't been able to create. And I can actually turn that thing into a skill, which is something I can share with you. So as soon as you download it, then you have the ability to use it yourself. So say, for example, I go on Twitter and I'm like, oh shit, all these AI nerds have discovered a way to get automatic sales through Instagram, and it's a skill. Then I can go ahead and take that skill and put it in my Claude and then let it work for me. So I don't actually need to know how to build this thing out. I just need to take the skill and put it in my Claude. So it's huge. And a lot of people don't really take advantage of skills, but if you take advantage of skills, it can supercharge what you're doing, even if you don't think you know what's going on with Claude. And you need at least a Claude Pro subscription to be able to use Claude Code. Next thing is just some stuff that we built with AI. So with my team this quarter, or not even this quarter, but we've been able to automate my entire school community. We made all of my course videos. We have got the scripts for the videos from AI. It told me exactly what I should be making the videos about because it did research on 10 different YouTubers that are in the same niche as me. And as soon as they drop a video, it tells me like, oh yeah, I should probably cover this topic and drop it in my school community, which is huge. And then we use Claude to edit our videos also. So this video right now, I'm going to shoot with multiple angles, with different audios, and then AI, Claude, is actually going to edit this video in Premiere Pro and then automatically post it on YouTube once it gets my approval, which is huge. And you can do something like that. And then it does research. Like I mentioned, it does it on all of the people that are similar to me in my niche. And then it goes from YouTube to Beehive, which is my newsletter that I just created. Then it goes to Just Build, which is my school community, then to a landing page and sequences into a WhatsApp community. And then it automates all of those conversations in WhatsApp to make sure that everybody's followed up with. And my event, I just had a landing page for Africa AI 2027. This picture is actually a picture from Africa AI 2026, my last year event, but we just ran it back. We're going to run it back. And I had it create a landing page for me. I had it create recap stuff. It basically went online on Instagram, on Twitter, and it looked at everything that people have been talking about Africa AI. And then it packaged all of those things up and then put it on my landing page also. And then I was able to create landing pages for some clients of mine. So I created landing pages and pitch decks for clients. I did it for BKT, which is my nonprofit. I did it for Squire. That's one of my clients. Life Maxing, a client, another client. And I've been able to create all of these decks and websites for these clients. On Instagram, I've been able to talk to and have individual conversations with thousands of people, which is insane because basically it talks to people and tries to sell them on my program, JustCoach. And I actually got 7 sales. From that, we go outreach. We've got an outreach agent that does warm outreach, and it go ahead and scrapes Reddit and looks for relevant topics. And then it goes ahead and find these leads using different services like Apollo and things like that to go ahead and find qualified leads and sell them. I actually just did 7 sales there. And last is my brain dumps. So I'll go ahead and brain dump every single night, and it turns those brain dumps into things that I can post on LinkedIn automatically in my voice, in my tone. It knows what I shouldn't be saying. And I did all these things in one day. Well, it was around 36 hours, so a day and a half, but everything is in one day. How do you compare or how do you compete with someone that has that much force, right? And like I mentioned, I want to show you how you can actually package this up as an opportunity to where you can sell something like this and make some income from being able to do all of these things for someone and for yourself. So what I want to introduce to you is what I call the Maestro. This is a person, an orchestrator that basically uses AI and uses Claude to do all of these things in your existing businesses that you work for or for clients that want you to come on board. The thing about this is you can go ahead and train AI on everything that's going on in their company. You can go ahead and hire, so to help you hire people that are highly qualified, deploy this in people's businesses and conduct or orchestrate a symphony, not just an instrument. So you're able to have all of these different agents do all of these different things. A lot of people are scared of AI taking their job. And yes, AI can do whatever you're doing and way better than you're doing it, right? But the thing is, you can be the one that sell these services to others saying, hey, I can be the maestro in your company, and we're going to put an AI orchestrator that can do every single thing that you're already doing, but better. And this is what companies are really looking for because they don't want to lay off everybody. They have emotional connections with some of their employees. Let's just say they have 2 employees and they know they're going to fire them because you got this AI bot that does the editing now. You got this AI bot that does a video now. But now you can be the orchestrator and the maestro that teaches their teams on how to be that orchestrator. So now you can bounce from place to place and teach them how it works. So you could teach them and also come into their company. And I think that training is really the place you want to be in when it comes to this AI space. Now, the third thing that I want to talk about. So first thing I talked about was health. Second thing I talked about was wealth. And now I want to talk about relationships. So relationships is huge and a lot of people overlook this. Now, when it comes to relationships, you can actually go down to an epigenetic level. And not just epigenetic, I use my human design, which is based off of the day that I was born, my gene keys, astrology, numerology, my MBTI, Enneagram, also did Myers-Briggs, DISC, Wealth Dynamics, Kolb, and Gallup tests to measure who I am as a person, right? And then after I know who I am, I make, or I don't make, but I ask my team to do the same thing, and it tells me everything about them and everything how we can work together, because these things are measurable. And then since they're measurable, we can put it in Claude. Claude could tell us, what we're good at and what we're all bad at, right? So from there, let me see if I can enter this site, come back. This might be a little wonky, but there we go. This is something that I actually created. Hopefully you can see this on screen, but this is something I actually created. This thing has my birth date in it and everything, and then it tells me what I'm good at. It's saying that, like, I'm really good at taking risks. I'm really good at relationships. I'm really good at content. I'm really good at the vision, ideation, and it also tells me what I'm bad at. And then it creates an AI agent that's good at all the things that I'm bad at, which is insane, and you guys should do too. So it tells me like how all these things rate. It tells me how I'm compatible with my partner. Also, it tells me how I'm compatible with the people that I work with. And then the last thing I think you guys should all do is called the culture test, which is this test that tells you, how a person is. Like, are they going to work on the weekend? Are they going to take it off? Are they a go-getter? Do they kind of care about the thing that you care about so dearly? So I think this thing is really, really big for people that want to figure out, how to work with the best people. So let's see what this thing's going to have me do. Perfect. See if I can go back to where we were. Okay, scroll down. Mind you, I didn't want to make any cuts in this video, so that's how we're going to do this thing. All right, so we were here. Now we're here. Okay, so now I want to talk about upscaling every human. So this is what I mentioned, how what we want to do as the Maestro is come into companies and upscale their employees. So by us upscaling their employees, that's so valuable because once again, they have an army of people that know how to use something like Claude Code. It doesn't have to be Claude Code either. It can be custom models. But for me, I've been focusing on Claude Code because it's something that is easy to teach and also something they can plug into their business and see immediate results. Boom. So from there, I talked about how my next in-person event is going to be in Cape Town. But if you're not in Cape Town, if you want to get this system installed in your business, I'm actually going to do a virtual masterclass on this. It's going to be a workshop. I'll probably host it in 2 weeks from now. I'll put the link below. Definitely sign up for this if you want to install the system. I'm going to give you all of my slash commands and all of these things that you can just import in your business if you want to use these skills. I've got skills for people that are ADHD and just need to be able to focus. I've got skills for people that just need to see exactly what they need to do at any moment. For me, I call it the wolf skill. So basically, I brain dump. I do a whole bunch of brain dumping. I come from like saying everything. I come from telling it my fears. I tell it, what I'm scared of. I tell it the things I have to do. I could just say here, to do. I tell my to-dos. I tell this thing literally my laundry. I tell it everything, right? And then from there, from my brain dumps, it goes ahead and puts it in two categories. It puts it in signal category, and then it puts it in noise category. Okay. So it puts it in signal and noise, right? So signal is those things that, let me go ahead and erase a little bit of this so you can see it a little bit better. But signal are those things that you need to be doing in this moment. The 3 top priorities that you can focus on, and it gives it a time also. So basically, if you need to get something done, but you you can get it done in 10 minutes and it's very important, they'll put it in signal. So they'll be like, one thing you need to do there is, your chores or whatever. 2 thing is you need to email that client back. 3 thing is you need to go ahead and film, let's just say. And then you told her a whole bunch of things, and they'll put all the rest of the things in noise because I feel like most people just can't focus. And since they can't focus, they just feel overwhelmed. And if you feel overwhelmed, you don't get anything done. But once you're done with these 3 things, then it goes ahead and takes the next things from noise and then puts them as the next 3 things. So for me, it's been a very, very, guess you could say, effective way to get as many things done as possible. And I actually got that from Steve Jobs, which was very valuable for me. But once again, in life, you want to learn and you want to go ahead and master all of these 3 categories because these are things that's important: your relationships, your health, and then also your finances, of course. And you want to be the maestro. You want to be the one that helps with hiring, training, deploying, and conducting in people's systems. So instead of having another side hustle, what you want is to help people upscale their employees and also help people change their internal systems and roles. And you can do that by just using Claude, even if you don't know what you're doing. So I think the biggest takeaway that I want to get here is you don't have to be this crazy expert at knowing everything about AI. What you need is to be able to talk to AI because AI knows how to talk or how to use AI. It's going to use every tool that it possibly can to be able to create the results that you want. So even if you don't know how to use AI, AI knows how to use it. And also, like I mentioned, we're going to do a masterclass on this. So make sure to stay tuned for that. And the link will be below. See you in the next one.